Hello friends, in this video we will see how to install Git on Windows 11. For this, first we will open a browser and we will type Git and press enter. We need to go to the Git official website git-scm. Click on it. In this official website, current version is visible. Click install for Windows. Here install in Windows section, the current version is visible. Click here to download. We will click on it. Now the download has started. Let's wait. Right click the exe file. Click open. Minimize the browser. This is the license. Click next. This is the location where Git will get installed. Keep the default path. It will take 330 MB space only. Click next. Here in select components, click on additional icons and click next. It will create a start menu folder. Keep it as it is and click next. Now choose the default editor used by Git. By default, use Vim is selected. I will keep it as it is. You can select any of them. Now click next. Here you need to decide the name of the initial branch. We will select the second one. Override the default branch name for the new repository and click next. Here adjusting your path environment, we will select the second one, the default one, Git from the command line and from third-party software. Click next. Here choose the SSH executable. We need to select which secure shell client program you want Git to use. We will keep use bundle OpenSSH as it is and click next. Now we need to choose HTTPS transport backend. Use the OpenSSL library and click next. Here configuring the line ending conversions, keep the default. Check out Windows style commit Unix style line ending and click next. Here you need to configure the terminal emulator to use with Git bash. Here we will keep the default, use mintty and then click next. Now we need to choose the default behavior of Git pull. Keep the default fast forward or merge. Click next. Choose a credential helper. Keep the default. Git credential manager. Click next. In configure extra options, keep the default. Enable file system caching and click install. Wait for installation to complete. Friends, we have installed Git. Click finish. It will show the current version of Git. Now go to start and type cmd. Click open and type Git here and press enter. This shows that Git installation is successful. Friends, if you like this video, give a like and subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Bye.